Flowers Bloom by Mary Dodson Wade. Words to know: bloom, nectar, petals, pollen. Parts of a flower: anther, stamen, sepal, flower stalk, flower bud, pistil, petal. What is a flower? Most plants make flowers. A flower is one part of a plant. A flower has an important job. It makes seeds. Where do flowers bloom? Flowers bloom in many places. Water lilies bloom in ponds. Cactus plants bloom in the desert. Poppies bloom in cold places like Alaska. Orchids bloom in warm rainforests. How big are flowers? Flowers can be big or small. The biggest flower in the world is a Rafflesia. It can be as big as a bathtub. The smallest flower is on the duckweed plant. It is much smaller than the head of a pin. Are there different kinds of flowers? Many flowers stand alone. Others grow close together at the tip of a stem. Some flowers grow on top of one another along a tall stem. Some plants, like corn, have two kinds of flowers. Do all flowers have petals? Some flowers have petals with bright colors. They might be red, yellow, or white. Birds and insects fly to the bright flowers. Grass flowers have no petals and look very plain. What is nectar? Nectar is the sweet juice inside a flower. It is food for birds and insects. A hummingbird uses its long beak to reach the nectar. Butterflies sip the nectar too. Bees use nectar to make honey. What is pollen? Flowers make pollen. Pollen looks like dust. It is usually yellow, but it can be red or green too. It is made near the center of the flower. How do flowers make seeds? Insects and birds crawl on some flowers. The pollen sticks to their bodies. They bring the pollen inside the flower. Once inside, the pollen helps the flower make seeds. These seeds may become a new plant someday.